Hi everyone, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we are going to be using some of our favorite products to make a Rosemary Whiskey Sour. First, we are going to grab our shaker and add 2 vigorous pumps of our lemon craft puree. Next, we're going to add 1 bar spoon of our clear agave nectar. After that, we'll add 1/8 a teaspoon of our rosemary water-soluble extract. This stuff is very concentrated, so you only need a bit. Now for my favorite part, 1.5 ounces of your favorite bourbon whiskey. Add a little ice into your shaker, mix it up a bit more. All right, grab a whiskey glass and strain your ingredients over some ice and garnish it with a beautiful lemon and rosemary skewer. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy our twist on a bourbon sour. Cheers.